Hello students, welcome to today's tutorial class. In this tutorial class, we are going to recap water cycle. How water recycle in an ecosystem. The main processes in water cycle are evaporation, transpiration, condensation, precipitation, infiltration, percolation, and runoff downslope back to the sea to begin the cycle again in this way. The water cycle is powered by energy from the sun and gravity. About 84% of the moisture comes from the oceans and rest from the land. Winds and air masses transport this water vapor over various parts of the Earth's surface, often over long distance. So, when temperature gets fall down, this causes the water vapor to condense into tiny droplets that form clouds and fogs. Due to this reason, evaporated water that has condensed on the atmosphere gets back to the ground in the form of rain and snow. Why water is required to recycle in an ecosystem? Because water is the most fundamental or essential molecule for all forms of living organism on Earth. When we say our body water composition, 70% of all cells in all living organisms are made from water, and this water is an essential requirement of photosynthesis. All photosynthetic organisms rely on water molecule to make their own organic molecules. It is the basis of all transport systems in an organism. Transporting nutrients or certain substances inside the body of an organism significantly depends on water. Water provides a means of removing excretory products or waste products from the body of an organism. In addition, we can use water in many ways in our daily lives to wash our clothes, our dirty dishes, to flush away waste products from a certain materials what we have been using in daily activities like utensils, kitchen utensils, to make products such as paper, steel, beer, wine, and etc. To generate electricity, water is extremely important using a range of devices that can convert the motion of water into electrical energy. Water also highly important in a system called hydroponics to grow plants in soil-free medium. Since this water molecule is extremely important for living organisms on Earth, it must be recycled within an ecosystem to let life continue on Earth. Let me remind you what we said in the last class. The principle that substances neither created nor destroyed in essence means it must be already settled in finite or definite amount on Earth. So the continuity of life mainly depend on the recycling of these substances or molecules in an ecosystem or habitat. When we see water cycle diagrammatically, water must be evaporated from the groundwater, oceans, aquifers, surface water like lakes, rivers, streams, spring, and escape from plants through transpiration, from animals through respiration, and change it to steam water and goes to the atmosphere. Then it gets condensed when atmospheric temperature gets low and changes to cloud. Then when the temperature becomes extremely low, it changes to precipitation. This precipitation gets back to the ground and aquatic environment in the form of snow and rainfall. So water cycle just continues in this way between living organism, atmosphere, the ground, and aquatic environment.